Unboxing the BALTIC Blue Leather Link. This will be a quick unboxing. Then I'll be posting my full review, which includes more info, matching watch faces, and a style guide. And I'll be putting on my gold Series 6 and silver Series 5 Apple Watch. This way you can see it right away, since right now I'm not seeing a lot of videos about it.
Subscribe with a bell icon so you don't miss that, and support with a like if this helps.
Let's unbox.
That looks really nice. It's a blue color, but it's a little more towards a dark teal. I think it's going to be a popular choice. I love how shiny the stainless steel looks. It adds another premium look to it. The leather is definitely soft and smooth. So you want to put the brown side or the letters underneath. So it slides in easily like that. That went in pretty smoothly.
I have both silver and gold Apple Watches here, so let's start with gold. So you can feel with the magnets that the short end actually goes in the bottom and the longer end goes above it. So far I think the magnets are pretty strong. Now let's see how it looks like with silver stainless steel. I'm liking the unique color.
I already have a good feeling about this one.
I like how there's no loop, so the edge just blends into the band. It's a clean look, merging fashion and function that only Apple would think of. Honestly, I like it with gold better. It just complements the color a lot more.
Here's a sample of matching watch faces I'll complete in my next video.
Still looks good in silver, so I guess it depends on your preference.
I'm liking that white watch face better.
Interesting, in some lighting it looks green, and some lighting it looks blue. I like it. I can't wait to play around with this so I can show you which watch faces look best with it.
In conclusion, I think it's a good watch band to wear pretty often if it's your first one, or a great color to add for your collection. Next, I'll be doing a styling video to illustrate that even more. Subscribe with a bell icon so you won't miss that, and give this a like if it helped. Feel free to let me know in the comments if you want to see more unboxings for the other colors.
Let me use it for a few days so I can give you that full review.
Thanks for watching.